Hey there, JD and FIA. I'm going to talk about why sometimes in gospel music the 5 chord is played as a minor chord versus a major chord. Right now I'm using an example of I Just Want to Praise You by Brian Clark. During the bridge they play a 5 minor to the 1 to the 4, and now I like to go to the flat 7. Alright, so I'm in G flat. Alright. I'm sorry. So I'm in G flat. Alright. That 5 minor. What's happening when they go to that 5 minor chord? Essentially, they're doing a key change. Alright. And the 5 is not really playing as a minor chord. They're doing a key change, and by playing that D flat minor 9 chord, alright, you're playing a 2 chord in the key of B. So the progression is actually changing to the key of B and going 2, 5, 1. G flat is the 5 in B. Alright. Back to the 1. Alright, to the 4 of B. Alright. So you got D flat minor. Left hand D flat, right hand B, E flat, E, A flat. Then I'm going, just bringing the B down to B flat and playing G flat in my left hand. B major, B, D flat, E flat, and G flat with B in the left hand. And then to my 4, to my, that chord there, left hand E and E, right hand D, F sharp or G flat, A flat, D flat up top, coming down to the B. Come back through the E flat, back to your 5 minor. Alright? But remember, even though the progression you're going 5, 1, 4, really you're doing a key change, and you're playing 2, 5, 1, 4 in the key of B. 2 of B, 5 of B, 1 of B, 4 or B, but I'm playing the song in the key of G flat major. So that's why sometimes, anytime you see that 5, 1, 4, just pretend that you're doing a 2, 5, 1 in the key of the, in this instance it'll be B. All right. 7, 5, 1, 4. Same move. 3, 2, 5, 1, 7, 6, 5, 1, 4. All right. 3, 2, 5. Back to the 1. All right. So just remember, just a temporary key change. That's where your 5, 1, 4 comes from. That 5 chord being minor. All right. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.